In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Powered by GoDaddy text from your website. Many website owners seek to customize their sites to better reflect their personal or brand identity, and removing default footer credits can be a significant step in that direction. Whether you're using GoDaddy's website builder for a business or personal project, this guide will help you seamlessly navigate the process. First things first, we need to gain access to the editing functionalities of your GoDaddy website. And this starts with the simple action of signing into your account. Head over to GoDaddy's homepage and you'll find the sign in button usually located at the top right corner of the page. A click on that and you're on your way. Once you click sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you should type in your username and password associated with your GoDaddy account. Make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. GoDaddy provides an easy way to recover your account so you can reset your password and get back on track. After successfully inputting your username and password, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. This is the control center of your GoDaddy account, where you can manage all your services, including domains, web hosting, and of course your website builder. Now that we're in, you'll want to navigate to the website section of your dashboard. This is where all the websites you've created with GoDaddy are listed. Find the website you wish to edit and select it. This action will take you to the overview page of that particular website. Look for the edit website or similar option to enter the website builder interface. Once you're in the website builder, it's time to find the infamous Powered by GoDaddy text, which typically resides in the website footer. Start by scrolling down your website's home page or the specific page you wish to edit. As you reach the bottom, you'll see your footer area, which often contains contact information, social media links, and yes, the Powered by GoDaddy text. When you locate the footer, you'll need to click on it to reveal editing options. In GoDaddy's website builder, areas that can be edited will usually be highlighted or will display editing icons when you hover over them. After clicking on the footer, look for the text box or section labeled Powered by GoDaddy. Click directly on the Powered by GoDaddy text. This action should bring up a text editing panel or a sidebar where you can make changes to the text. The exact interface might vary depending on the version of the website builder you're using, but the objective remains the same. Now for the final step, removing the Powered by GoDaddy text. In the editing panel or sidebar that opened up, you will see the text that you wish to remove. Simply delete the text from this panel. After you've cleared the text, take a moment to verify that you haven't unintentionally removed or altered any other part of your footer. Once you're satisfied with how your footer looks without the Powered by GoDaddy text, don't forget to save your changes. It can be easy to navigate away and forget this crucial step, leading to frustration when you realize the text is still there upon your next visit. After saving, I recommend previewing your website to ensure the changes appear exactly how you want them across different devices. Removing the Powered by GoDaddy text is a quick and simple way to customize and professionalize your website. It's a small change that can make a significant difference in how visitors perceive your website. Remember, the goal of customizing your website is to make it truly yours. With these steps, I hope you feel empowered to make adjustments that reflect your personal or brand identity more accurately. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore GoDaddy's help resources or reach out to their customer support for personalized guidance.